started with the 2,000 square foot spot. Then we doubled it to like 4,500. Then we were to open our restaurant. Then we had the pool and all that stuff. So.
Yeah, my dad's gonna come over when he's bathroom.
Smash the like button. Everyone watch the video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the post notification. We don't ever tell people to hit the post notification. I don't know why, but everyone out there smash the post notification. Button. I'm over here asking everybody how y'all feel about our new storefront. Oh, yeah, already know, man. I already saw when y'all was breaking it down. This shit bullshit. Boy, if you don't, boy. I just talk shit. This shit clean, though. The homeless side, you can go, ooh. Like, bro, like, what's so you know you can go inside and be like, fuck, I just bought some shoes. All right, the homies still buying shoes. I'm gonna hook around for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I remember this experience. You can go buy any shoes from anywhere, but you come over here to come kick it with us and have a good vibe. Real. And you get busty, get your ass beat on the court with me, too. Hey, I'm a hooper. You know what I'm saying?
Hi. Yo, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Look at this geezer. Look at these nuts. What's up, Kamani? What's up, baby mama? What's up, Ammo Insane? Tyler is taking a dump. Because he's been dumping on these solos by himself. 1v2ing. What's up, TT? Settings. All right, no problem, bro. Wait a minute. Hello? Hello? Is this right? Hello? Hello? Can y'all hear me? 53 ping. 53 ping. I'm not mocking you, baby. I promise. Welcome to Florida, ping. All right, pay attention. Everyone type 1 if they're paying attention. Luis Moreno, Simply Health Insurance. Man, get off your dad's account, bro. Get off your dad's account. How's everybody doing? Everybody have a good day at school? Everyone's saying, demolished by Hassan. Jesus Christ. Texas ping is worse? You can't hear me? All right, hello? 2.1. Hold on, let me turn on my hearing aid. I'll shit on all y'all. I'm just letting y'all know. I will full box, piece, clip, all that. What's up, Kinsey? Man, make your own YouTube account, kids. Unless you're going to drop a hundo, then you can use your mom and dad's account, and it's cool.
Get their credit card, too.
Don't forget to get their credit card, and don't tell them that I told you to do that. Exclamation point 100.
He called you, he said old-ass pops.
I am old. Oh, this is not Cal. Callie, you're right. I am old. So he don't get banned for that, guys. It's fine. He is right. All right, there you go. 10, 10. 9. The settings that will make you still suck. The settings that will make you still suck at the game. I'm almost 50, Hassan. But I can still box you, flop you, 200, pump you. That's what your mom's nickname for me is, 200 pump! Oh, my God. I'm sorry. No disrespect. No, I agree. That's old. You're at 10.4K. Okay. I'm sure you are. Good job. Turn off his aim assist. Don't say he'll know within like 2 seconds. You want 100? I want 100. Yes, Tanner. Hit me. I love you long time. Hell yeah, I love you long time. What's up, Glips? I see you in the comments. How you been, buddy? Who's grinding for 2K likes Oh, I'm sorry. Your ears? I apologize. Nobody's getting banned. Nobody's getting banned, guys. I'm just having some fun. Nobody said nothing bad. Everybody's fine. I don't care. Yeah, my neighbors are going to get pissed. You're right. I got you. I got to chew. Tyler's right here, guys. He just take a Duke number. Duke.
You gotta chill, Pops.
I got to chill. You're right. I got to chill. Actually, I moved into an apartment, guys. I'm used to living out in the woods, so I can say what I can be loud. Now we're in an apartment. They probably think I'm crazy as shit.
Yes.
Anyways, there's the settings.
And if you make money on them, you have to transfer it to me.
If you make money on these settings, though, there is a contract agreement, guys. If you use these settings, you like the gun searches? Bam! I was just doing push-ups and walking my dog right before I got on here.
You did push-ups?
I was doing push-ups in the kitchen, and I was walking my little dog. And Tyler just left us out. I beat him 10-2 today.
10 to 4.
10-4. Basketball. Old man game. Old man set jump shot. A lot of y'all don't have dads. Type 1 if you don't have a dad. Type 1 if your dad isn't home. Type 1 if your dad ain't around. It's all right. I'm not going to dog you. Just type 1 if your dad ain't around.
Oh, God.
Type 1 if your dad ain't around.
Here we go.
Man, he left. I'm sorry, bro. Damn. Now, what did y'all do to piss your dad off? I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'll be your dad. I'll be your daddy, Papa Chaos. Y'all know I'm just clowning around. All right, I love you guys. Thanks for being here. You did your stepmom? Oh, hell no. Oh, you can't do that. Your dad's going to leave. You do your stepmom. Damn, Marv. That's not cool.
He said he got the milk and left for my stepmom.
He got the milk. He said, I'm out. No, Marv said he did his stepmom. Like, dad brought home stepmom. Mom was like, damn, son looking nice.